red and white wires. A firm and secure connection makes for a better soldering process. Now, the moment of truth for reassembly. I'm carefully placing the newly wired motor and transformer assembly back into the red casing of the angle grinder. It's like a puzzle, ensuring all the wires are tucked in neatly and nothing is pinched. I then secure the casing back together with screws, making sure every point is tightened down to keep the internal components stable and protected. I'm continuing to secure all the casing components with screws, ensuring a solid and stable housing for our modified tool. Here's the new portable power unit, made from an old casing. I'm wiring in a switch, carefully stripping the wires and connecting them to control the power. Then, for the new power input, I'm attaching the prongs of a new plug to the ends of the wires that will supply power. This allows for safe and convenient operation of our new device. Once the switches are installed, I close up the white casing, making sure all wires are tucked away, and then secure it with screws. I'm now wiring the main power switch into the red plastic casing. It's important for safety and ease of use. I'm stripping the wires, connecting them to the terminals of the switch, and making sure the connections are tight. I'm also attaching alligator clips to the ends of the wires. These will be our connections to the power source and the welding rods. Precision here is key. After securing the alligator clip securely, I used pliers to straighten the end of the clip to make it easier to attach the welding rod. Next, I'm connecting the output wires, more robust crocodile clips. These clips are designed to handle the higher current output for welding and will securely hold our welding material. I'm ensuring a solid connection that can withstand the forces of welding. To prepare for the welding process, I prepare a regular power plug and a light bulb. When I turn on the switch, the light bulb lights up immediately. Stable power source suitable for the welding process. Finally, I'm attaching a standard electrical plug to the input power wire. This will allow us to connect our homemade welding machine to a regular power outlet. I'm double-checking all the wiring to make sure it's correct and safe. At one end of the alligator clip, I connect the iron that needs to be soldered. This is the ground wire. The other alligator clip, I add a soldering iron to complete the circuit. I'm now demonstrating its welding capability by joining two pieces of metal. Watch what happens when I touch the metal rod to this piece of scrap metal. See those sparks? That's the concentrated energy in action. You can see the intense heat and sparks as the metals fuse together. the metal instantly heats up and begins to melt, demonstrating the incredible power of this DIY welding tool. This is truly amazing. And there you have it, our incredible multifunctional welding tool, made from a simple old angle grinder. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can achieve amazing things and give new life to old objects. A quick tap with a hammer helps to reinforce the weld, and then I use a wire brush to clean it up, revealing a strong, solid joint. This homemade tool is quite powerful and incredibly effective. And there you have it, our old angle grinder, completely repurposed into a versatile, portable welding station. This project demonstrates that with a creative mindset and a willingness to tinker, you can achieve amazing things and save valuable tools from the scrap heap. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.